Hi friends, welcome back. I'm going to show you winters in Surrey. West Coast where I stay is not that cold, but still there are few snowy days.
Soft tacos.
Soft tacos.
This place is called as British Columbia or beautiful British Columbia because all the seasons are very beautiful here, and this is how winter looks like in Surrey. Since we are staying in the suburbs, the snow mountains are in the backdrop of almost everywhere I visit. This view reminds me of Switzerland. और फाइनली 31 दिसंबर के आसपास एक स्नोई डे आ ही गया. There are very few snowy days here and this was one of them and I was enjoying it. And so Santa Claus has also arrived. We are getting our packet. I think Ninja has come. Jingle bells. So this will be my first snow of 2020. It's special. It's snowing. It's snowing in Vancouver. तो फ्रेंड्स, याद है मैंने आपको यहाँ से फॉल दिखाया था और यहाँ से स्नो कैसी है ये दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको. Everybody likes fresh snow, but in the evening it might get a little messy. But the perks of staying in an apartment is that all the cleaning gets taken care of. अगर आप खुद के घर में separately रहेंगे, then you might have to clean all of this. White snowfall बस एक दिन हुआ और cleaning कर दी है. और इतना सही लग रहा है ना. As you have seen, morning and evening walks have become important part of our daily routines, and so we were out even next to the snowy day, and this is how the scene was. Same place today after the little snowfall. So guys, this is almost night walk. थोड़ा लेट इवनिंग है वैसे, पर सनसेट के बाद में वॉक कुछ ऐसा है. और ये है हमारा व्यू सामने. या लेट्स वॉक अगेन. ये ना वॉक करके आते तो पीछे छोटा सा एक देयर इज अ स्मॉल पुल एंड इन दिस ब्रिज यू कैन हैव द स्मॉल वाटर एरिया एंड दिस इज जस्ट ये हमारा जहाँ रहते हैं वहाँ पे जिम है और हॉट टब स्पास एंड एवरीथिंग, बट इट इज़ ऑल क्लोज्ड एंड दिस इज द रिक्रिएशन रूम इन आवर अपार्टमेंट. वेरी क्लियर. यहाँ पे पार्टी हो सकती है बट पैंडेमिक के चलते नहीं हो रही है. ये घर के सामने ग्रोसरी है, बैंक है. So guys, I'm posting about my Canada stories with a bit of delay because I have been busy in some important work here. Wendy's is there, TD, and this is the lunch spot and that entire area. We have so many cafes and offices and I'm looking for Rohit. He's just I think around. I'll just check him out. You can see me. That's me. SIN number, health card, account opening, BCID and driving license are important things which were keeping us busy. Huge Dollarama. Let's cross. So we are here to do our paperwork.
But why are you standing here?
Trying to put on the mask. It's 6 degrees here and it looks like hill station.
All foggy.
Let's have hot chocolate.
Yes, after this.
And now it was shopping time. 31st December को हम लोग rainy weather में shopping करेंगे. So the moment you enter and you have a food court, sunrise. I'm not a mall person, but this one was really huge. Guys, look at this entire store, everything $10. Oh my god. शॉपिंग मुझे बहुत पसंद है एंड इट वॉज बॉक्सिंग डे सेल.
Where do you want to go now?
Something to eat.
Okay.
Time to go and eat something. Tim Hortons की लाइन इतनी लंबी है और in New York Price Subway. The good thing is कि यहाँ पे इस तरह से maintain कर रहे हैं distances and everybody is following it. Vegetarian में ज़्यादा option नहीं थे but घर जाके पिज़्ज़ा भी है. It's a foggy day and we just stepped out. The Christmas tree on top. Time to go back home and it was New Year's Eve. आ गया है और liquor store पे New Year के लिए visit. We planned a small celebration at home because it was pandemic. So this is all Happy New Year prep. Wish you all very Happy New Year. Happy 2021. Unboxing of the DJI New Year gift. नए साल की शुरुआत गिफ्ट्स के साथ एंड हियर आर सम अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियोस. अनबॉक्सिंग गूगल नेस्ट मिनी. ये ना कुछ लुक एट दिस गोल्डन बिल्डिंग. इट्स सनसेट टाइम एंड इसीलिए यहाँ पे इस जगह को ब्यूटीफुल ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया बोलते हैं. देखिए सनसेट कितना so amazing. यहाँ पे ये अच्छा है कि अगर कुछ मंगाया और रिटर्न करना है तो कर सकते हैं. सो वी जस्ट हियर टू रिटर्न a humidifier which we didn't like, so we have to come to the post office, Canada Post.
So ये बहुत easy था. उसने ये ट्रैकिंग शीट दे दी है, ट्रैकिंग नंबर, एंड ये उसके पास पहुंच जाएगा तो हम कितना ही निकाल. इट वाज वेरी इजी.
चलो, सो वी जस्ट गोइंग बैक. यहाँ की ऑप्टिकल सेंटर है और डेंटल एंड आईज का कवर्ड नहीं होता, तो यूजुअली योर एम्प्लॉयर गिव्स यू द कवरेज. बस ऐसे ही वॉक करके एक्सप्लोर करके नए नए चीजें सीख रहे हैं.
इस तरफ चलेंगे आज.
अच्छा. You want to check out the beach? Let's go.
Let's go.
So we have an Orthodox Church of Ukraine here. After finishing important works, we went to a park nearby and had a great time. Rohit has done all the practice and we were all set to rent a car and go explore more. It was nice that people here are very welcoming and we made some local friends and understood more about this area. We We rented a car from Enterprise and it was a good experience. रेंट कर ली है तो इंश्योरेंस भी लेना ही है. Winter drive is so much fun. We could go to some important areas and also finish our shopping which was left. There was so much more to do. So these were few tips from my side if you are a new person here. Radiant tire लेके चलते हैं आपको. ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया कनाडा के वेस्ट कोस्ट में आता है जहाँ पर इतनी स्नो नहीं होती एज कम्पेयर टू रेस्ट ऑफ कनाडा. As you can see, the weather looks pretty sunny right now. Winter time December January में we have seen temperature ranging from -3 to +8 degrees. We drove to some amazing restaurants and my next vlog will be featuring all about Indian food in this area. So stay tuned guys for my next vlog. Share this video and please subscribe to my channel.